All right. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on this YouTube channel, kindly click on the right button, follow and subscribe to see more beautiful videos. For my returning viewers, God bless you. Thank you for doing a good job. Thumb up for you. I love you all. Now, let us get into the video. Okay, as you all know, I am a lover of fruit. Now, I've decided to do another smoothie. And this time around, guess what, guys? Guess what? I will be putting orange and carrots. The last time I made the video, I did not added this particular type of fruit. But today, I have decided to take you to another level of how to prepare a good and healthy smoothie. Follow me, let's go. So now I have my grapes, I have my banana, I have my strawberries, I have my grapes, then I have my, of course, yogurt. Is strawberry banana yogurt. I have my milk, as you can see, banana, as you can see, carrots, then orange. Everything is going to be coming in the blender. I'm going to blend everything together. After I've washed the strawberry and I've put in the banana, the next thing that is going into this blender is grape, as you all see. If you are just following, if you are just joining me, please click on the like button and subscribe button to see more of these beautiful videos. This is how I can do. I am just begging my God to provide more so that I can take you guys to a smoothie journey. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, are you new on this channel? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Anu Gbemidebe. This is Anu Gbemidebe channel. How to make a good and healthy smoothie. Follow me for more. Okay, now I've put in the grape. So the next thing that is coming is the yogurt. Let me wash my hand. So I put the yogurt, guys. Now the next thing I want to put is orange, tangerine. It's called tangerine. It's called tangerine. Now I don't know what you call. I don't know what do you call this in your own language. So I'm peeling it right now. Oh my God, this is gonna be delicious. Oh my God. So I'm going to put some inside. As you can see it, I'm putting out some. I'm putting in some. You see? You see? You see? You see? The next one I'll put is carrots. I'm going to be putting little. I'm going to be putting little. If you can do this more than this, or let me know how many fruits do I have to put in this smoothie. Because the last time I did not put the carrots and tangerine. I did not put it. But today I decided to add more fruit to my beautiful smoothie. You know, so now I will put the milk. Just put little milk. Okay. Wait, let me use another milk. I love almond milk. Yes. Lactase, you know, whole milk there. I just added small milk. So I'm going to be putting ice. Guys, let's put ice. Let's put ice. Ice. I love to wash everything. I put ice, then water is coming in. Water is coming in. Water is live. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Now, let's go and blend it. Let's go and blend it. Come with me, guys. Let's go. I am blending it. For my smoothie. Thank you. This is my smoothie and I am blending it. Guys, do not forget to follow me and join my YouTube channel. God bless you as you do. So I'm taking this back to the fridge. Another glove. I'm trying to clean up this place. Please do not forget to follow me. God bless you. Make sure you clean your kitchen after you might have, finished doing everything. All right. Now my smoothie is ready. Let me have my cup. I love this unbreakable cup a lot. So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, yummy. Mm.